Snowflake. It's Vlogmas Day 2.
Hey, it's your holiday. I got hoes on hoes and you out of control. Hey, it's another way.
So all I've done today so far is just my morning routine, you know, brush your teeth, wash your face and stuff like that, and I answered some emails and did stuff for school. But now I'm hungry and I was thinking about doing something with these bananas that I have that are pretty ripe right now. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. So these bananas are gonna go bad soon. I don't really want to make any banana bread because I'm about to go back home and I don't want to like waste food. So I'm thinking about turning this into some pancakes. I looked up a recipe and I don't have any milk, but I saw that you could do it with eggs and like some flour or something. So I think I'm about to do that real quick and hopefully they're good. I'm only gonna be using 2 bananas. If it's like bad, I'm just gonna use the other 2 bananas for like a smoothie or something. Oh, it says I need baking powder, not baking soda. Okay, it says optional though to make it fluffy. Okay, I got most of the ingredients. Oh, I only have 2 eggs. I thought I had more than just 2. That sucks. I don't want to get a whole new thing of eggs. That just sounds like a waste. If I do that, I might as well get milk. Okay, I think I have everything that I need. I don't have the baking powder, and it says it's not necessary, but it'll help them rise. I like to look up recipes to like as guidance, but I don't always follow them. It says flour is also optional. I might add flour. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna start by mashing up the bananas. Next, I'm gonna add 2 eggs. The recipe said add an egg per banana. Okay, even though it said it was optional, I'm gonna add the flour because it's a little too soupy for me. It doesn't look as appetizing, but it's nice and thick now. I like that. I'm about to add some vanilla real quick. And I might do a few dashes of cinnamon just because I always add cinnamon whenever I make pancakes. So that's just like out of habit. These are my pancakes. They're kind of like flapjacks, honestly. I made 6 of them, 3 for today and 3 for tomorrow. Let me just add some syrup and hopefully these are good. I think they'll be good. I have high hopes. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm really hoping these are good. Please do not be nasty. All right, I plugged in my ring light so y'all can see better. Look at that. Ooh, ah, that's that sugar right there. Ooh, ah, yes. Yes, look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Am I stalling? Maybe. Maybe I am. Okay, I don't think it's gonna be nasty. I just think it's gonna be different. I never had banana pancakes before. God, just got God. Thank you for my food. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay. The thing about it is that it's very moist, which is kind of weird, you know, texture-wise, but it's not disgusting, and I'm really hungry. It tastes pretty much like banana bread to me. I don't think that adding more flour would have made it better, though. I think it's that baking powder that I'm missing to make it fluffy, but overall, pretty good. So I was looking at what we can do today. I said what I could do today, I guess, like a Christmas thing. I don't know. I was looking to see if there's any more like display cases I could look at, or any like light shows in the area or something like that, because Christmas lights is what really brings me into the mood.
It's the music and the lights for me, and the smell of pine.
It's been raining a lot in New York and the weather seems like it's going to be the same weather that it was yesterday. So I think today the mission is to go see the tree, the big tree. Still probably a no on the ice skating thing. I kind of want to ice skate with somebody. I want to ice skate by myself. It's kind of lonely. Like, I know I'm alone. That's kind of lonely. So I'm gonna go see the tree and see what else is in the area. See this, like, I don't know, maybe like some shops or some food or something. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish this, do some homework, and I'll see you guys in a few hours when the sun goes down to go see the tree. See you in a bit. All right, it's been a few hours. I just did a wash and go with the Girls with Curls original Dippity Doo. If you haven't seen this video, go and check it out. Yes, hair change, but I'm ready to go see this tree, so let's go. So I did not get to go see the tree. It's like, I'm kind of upset about it, but that line was stupid long. I'm making a sandwich, by the way, because I did not eat, and I was thinking, oh, I need to go see the tree. I should order some food, make myself feel better. But then I was like, you got food at the house. You know, when your parents just be like, you got food at home, when you ask you have something, you got food at home. Like, it's not a full meal, but a ham and cheese sandwich or something. So we save money out here. But yeah, that line was stupid long, and the amount of people did not make me feel comfortable. So I decided to dip. And when I dipped, I got lost in Times Square. Oh my gosh, that was kind of scary. It wasn't scary. There were people around, so I didn't feel like too scared. I'm not completely dumb, you know. I got my GPS on deck. I'm looking at the GPS and I'm looking around the streets, and I'm like, the street's right here in front of me. Where is the train? My dumb self is like, I hear it. Where is it? I think I was just hungry and tired that I didn't think that, you know, the subway is underground. So I was looking up, looking for the sign that says subway when it's actually pointed down at the street. I look like a whole tourist doing that, I bet. Honey ham, I only like honey ham. Honey baked ham every Thanksgiving. Love it. But it wasn't a total waste. I got to see like the city lights and stuff. Like, there's something else that I plan on seeing in New York, so hopefully that looks good. I might go tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just really tired and hoping that this video wasn't a waste. I really hope it wasn't. I'll feel so bad if it was. It's just something about New York that just makes you feel amazing, because it just, I don't know, it looks so pretty how all the lights are just lit up and people are smiling and just enjoying the moment. Like, when I was thinking about moving to New York, I was kind of scared about, you know, rude people, and I don't know, a lot of people told me that it would be like a dangerous place. And I was told that information from people who either have not been to New York in like years or have never been to New York a day in their life. So they only hear rumors. And to be honest, every city is dangerous. So, but New York is like, I don't know, the people aren't necessarily rude. They're just unbothered. They mind their business. They're confident. When they have something to say, they say it. If they have nothing to say, they stick to themselves. If you do something weird on the street, people just keep walking around you. If they want to stop and look at you, they're most likely tourists or just interested. But other than that, they're just gonna keep walking. This is how my sandwich turned out. This did turn into like a cook with me type of video. This is part of that college life dinner. I didn't really want any noodles though. But anyway, you guys, failed mission. I tried to go see the tree. And started to picture the tree right here. Honestly, if it wasn't for the pandemic, I probably would have stayed in the line. Don't get me wrong, people did keep their masks on and nobody was like coughing or anything like that. The line was pretty compacted and went around the block. And I feel like if the line is this long, then the actual like Rockefeller Center, like the actual rink, would have been packed. And I couldn't handle that. Nah. I wonder if you can see all the flakes in my hair. Like, this hairstyle, this wash and go is a no. This wash and go is a hecky no. I think I rated it a 5 in the video. I hate this wash and go. Rating this wash and go a 5 is just to be nice. Like, everybody's hair is different, so it might work on some people's hair, but for me, I don't like it. I mean, I was heavy-handed though. I don't know. At this point, I'm just rambling, so I hope that tomorrow's vlog is better. I hope that you're doing well. Hope that you had a good day. Hope that you smiled today. But this is sadly the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.